Hey 10th standard guys, how are you all? Welcome back to Natural Vegetation chapter 6. In previous videos I explained you many things regarding this chapter which are very important and will come in paper. So definitely 10 marks question can come or 90% 10 marks question comes from this chapter. So please read this chapter properly, word to word. I'm telling, read this chapter word to word. So we read about the introduction, then we read the maps, then we read about the environmental factors affecting natural vegetation. We read about the main types of natural vegetation like tropical evergreen forest, deciduous forest, and all that. After reading, I explained to you properly that what things we will read about this chapter, what we things we will read about desert and semi-desert, and I told you one very important thing, that you have to learn all the tree species names like palas, mahua, tendu, eucalyptus trees, where all these trees are found, which area, which states like acacia, arabica, and all that. You have to learn that. For example, let's take mountain forest or mixed forest. What we need to learn: climate, areas, characteristics, species, and the names of the trees found in this chapter. Now, a very short idea is the content analysis of natural vegetation of India. This is a shortcut, or this is a brief summary of the whole lesson. We can learn thoroughly, very nicely. For example, see, it has been shown in a very nicely in a table. Serial number 1, forest name is tropical evergreen forest. What is the climate of that forest? What's a suitable climate to grow this forest? 200 to 300 centimeter, high humidity, temperature 25 degree to 27 degree. Distribution, where they are found: windward side of Western Ghats, Garo, Khasi, Jaintia Hills, lower slope of Eastern Himalayas, Andaman Nicobar Islands, and the forests and timbers which are found in tropical evergreen forest are, you see, dense, thick undergrowth, tall trees in layer arrangement, climbers, creepers, fern, bamboo, epiphytes, luxuriant growth, and the trees, some over 60-meter broad, leaved and grained and hardwood. So these are the kinds of trees which are found over there. The species which are found in this type of vegetation are rosewood, ebony, gudgeon, toon, ironwood, and bamboos. And see the special features: dense forest mix, stand, thick canopy, dense undergrowth, also called rainforest. So, guys, there might be a question of 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, that what is the distribution of tropical evergreen forest? What climate is required for tropical evergreen forest? Or name the species and their uses of the tropical evergreen forest. To understand all these things, you have to read. And the same way, another forest, another vegetation is tropical deciduous forest, monsoon forest. Same things we will read about this chapter of this vegetation also. So for today, I will say, please go for this table which is on page number 173 on old book, chapter number 6, vegetation in India. And please go through this whole chapter. So in the same way, there is thorn forest, rainfall. This rainfall is required, drier parts and trees are widely. And number 4, like always, we read about tidal forest, then mountain forest, and desert forest, and all that. So in the next coming videos, I will explain you each and every vegetation separately, so you may understand it thoroughly. And regarding the keywords, please read forestry, reforestation, pure stand, natural vegetation, and exercise these question answers. There are 28 question answers, and all the answers I have already sent to you through WhatsApp and through standard message. Please go through and thank you very much. Have a nice time.